I'm Brian Hogan from Hogan Design and Construction. I am the owner. Interesting fact about myself is I used to sell cigars. I had 30 country clubs on a route, so every week I would go to all 30 country clubs and do counts and replenish their supply. I actually golfed a tremendous amount back then. I also tried out for the lead role in The Shining. That's a really good little known fact. They had a open tryout in Chicago, and my parents took me. I wasn't like an actor, but my family was in that industry a little bit, like they were in transportation for movie stars, so they knew about it. So they brought me, and I was in an interview. It was so weird, like they left me in a room with some dude for 2 hours, and I was 6. So evidently I didn't impress him, because I didn't get it.